Hey, RV Jerry here. Just thought I'd let you in on a fact. Got my hair cut. It's really short. No. Hey, this is my new RV. From the back all the way to the front, it's only 21 feet and a half. So it's called a Nash. It's very nice. It's a replacement for our it's a replacement for the C-Class, the one that burned out, the one that I worked so hard on. This one I didn't have to work so hard on, but I did just figure that where everything is going. I've been working on it for a week now, putting things here, putting things there, moving the tire, adding the generator. I get videos on all that stuff, so yeah. And I've got my cookware, you know, my pancake griddle. I got that. I'll show you where it's at. So around here on the edge is a compartment. You get this locked up there. There we go. And inside we have my griddle, pancake griddle time, and a stove. And we have one of these things, plugs into, you know, the bottle, and I have a table. So I'm all set for cooking pancakes and eggs outside. We'll set it up right here. We have a one of these propane barbecue location, so we can plug our line in there and pull this, turn it on and off. Have our own propane. Now I want to switch cameras again, and I don't know how. So there you go. It's gonna be a nice time. We're gonna take it out this Friday. Head for Tahoe again, or I say Tahoe, but really Reno. But this time I think I'm gonna go up the back way, or go up this way up 80 and then come back the back way and visit our favorite spots over in Tahoe, along Placerville, Indian Casino. Was that Red Hawk? Yep. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Just a test video.